Hi, just a quick reminder about your assignments, your major project in exam 1. Even though it's not due till next Thursday, you still want to make sure that you plan ahead because it's going to require you to do an observation. As you see, you have exam 1, which is due next Thursday, September 24th. And then you have a literacy-rich classroom observation that you need to do. And I'm going to click on this and just show you the information. Again, you've got to observe in a preschool classroom that is in a center with a 3 to 5 star rating. And if you want to observe in our center, you need to contact Tess Strickland, and here's her number and her email address to make arrangements. And you are going to refer to the Literacy Rich Classroom Checklist, which I'll show you in just a minute. You'll list the questions that resulted in yes, list the questions that resulted in no, areas of strength and a plan of improvement. You know, what could be improved, what's, strong about the literacy rich environment. And this should be a half a page or longer. Then you're going to list the name of the center, the teacher, and the classroom, and the date and time observed. So again, that's where the information on that. Give me just a second, and I'm going to show you the checklist. You will be able to print this off, the literacy checklist. If you let me know ahead of time, I can print it off and have it over in the center for you, to help whatever you need to do, but you need to let me know, okay? Thanks. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns.